SustainML is a framework designed to support sustainable machine learning development. It helps users select models and hardware configurations that balance performance, energy consumption, and carbon footprint. By combining automated model discovery with environmental analysis, SustainML enables informed and responsible AI design decisions. The application is launched from the terminal. In the problem definition screen, we describe the task we want to address. The short description summarizes the problem in a few words, while the detailed description provides additional context for model inference. The input and output fields specify how data is provided to the model and what kind of results are expected, helping the system narrow down architectures that best match the task requirements. These fields are used by the system to understand the domain and identify suitable machine learning approaches. To provide more information about the data, we can upload a dataset. This allows SustainML to automatically extract and fill in dataset metadata, such as topic, profile, keywords, and applications. Once all required fields are completed, we submit the task. The system now processes the request and starts identifying the most suitable models for the defined problem. If needed, we can stop the execution using the stop button. This finishes the process after the current iteration. To start from scratch, the Clear All button removes all entered data. When working with CNN, model names can be generic. By opening the Unit Models view, we can inspect detailed information about each architecture before making a selection. After choosing a CNN-based approach, we specify the model type as CNNs. This enables compatible hardware options. A suitable model can then be selected from the available list. SustainML also allows comparison between different runs. By selecting multiple results, an iteration screen appears with detailed information. From the side menu, we can remove or add entries. By right-clicking on a desired characteristic and choosing Option Compare, we open a graphical comparison view, which helps analyze trade-offs visually. At any time, we can return to the results screen. In addition to the predefined models, SustainML supports direct searching across the Hugging Face Model Hub. By clicking the Hugging Face Models button, the system retrieves the 10 most suitable models for the described problem. Each model is ranked using a relevance score, where higher scores indicate a better match for the task. By hovering over a model, we can access additional details. Some models may not be accessible due to hardware constraints or licensing restrictions, while others can be analyzed directly. By clicking the Analyze button, we obtain power consumption and carbon footprint estimates, just like with internally supported models. Finally, by clicking the Home button, we return to the home screen.